Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be reviewing Cash App for teens and answering the question, is it really safe for younger users? Cash App recently made it possible for teenagers between the ages of 13 and 17 to sign up, but they need approval from a parent or guardian. Once approved, teens can use many of the same features adults have, such as sending and receiving money, adding cash, using the Cash App card for purchases, and even setting up direct deposit if they have a job. This makes it a very convenient tool for learning how to manage money at a young age. When it comes to safety, Cash App does put some protections in place. Teen accounts are directly linked to the parent or guardian's account, which means the adult can see transactions, monitor spending, and even add or restrict funds. Teens cannot access certain features like investing in stocks or sending money internationally, so there are built-in limits to help keep things under control. On top of that, Cash App uses encryption and security locks like PIN codes, Face ID, or Touch ID, which makes transactions more secure. That said, there are still some concerns parents should keep in mind. Because Cash App allows peer-to-peer payments, teens could be exposed to scams or accidentally send money to the wrong person. And unlike traditional banks, Cash App transactions are hard to reverse. It's also not FDIC insured in the same way as a regular checking account, so money stored in Cash App doesn't have the same protections as money in a bank. For that reason, it's better for teens to only keep small amounts of money on the app and use it more like a spending tool rather than a savings account. Overall, Cash App for teens can be safe if used responsibly and with active parental supervision. It gives young people real experience with digital money management, teaches them budgeting skills, and helps prepare them for the financial tools they'll use as adults. But like any app, it has risks, and the best way to make it safe is for parents to stay involved, set clear rules, and make sure teens understand how to avoid scams and use the app wisely. So, is Cash App for teens safe? The answer is yes, but only when paired with good guidance and oversight from parents or guardians. Subscribe the channel for more videos.